My girl been telling me that this love hurts, putting her through shit she don't deserve. Sit back and watch as I observe. Baby, that's the nature of Mother Earth. Let me in, I can heal you from within. Fucking then cuddling, let me feel your skin. Let me feel your skin while I feel my grip loosening. Hold me tight while I play the keys. One more chord, I'm breaking down, I'm on my knees. I know I can be the one that you need. Fighting this urge to let my demons feed. Swear she's so strong, wears her scars on her sleeves. Fuck the rest, baby, it's just you and me. Done so much wrong, maybe so is she. Such a mess, maybe these lovebirds can clean. Just another fucking fiend. I've been addicted to you from the start. Another fiend dealing with broken hearts. When I see you, I can see the fresher start. Doing drugs is just a stretch to fill the empty parts. I've been addicted to you from the start. Another fiend dealing with broken hearts. Doing drugs is just a stretch to fill the empty parts. Baby girl, you're my favorite drug, that's by far. That's by far. I can hear these lovebirds when they sing, telling me stories from the things that they see. Flying high, that's where I tend to be. Head in the clouds, coming down when I feel you breathe. Girl, I can hear these things that you're telling me. I'm not sure why it's hard to listen when you're so good to me. Self-destructing, what is this life done to me? Eventually, everyone finds a day when they're done with me. Sit around waiting for the day I can come to see all the promises everyone's ever told me. Just a bunch of words, back them up with your energy. Baby, help me find my peace. I've been addicted to you from the start. Another fiend dealing with broken hearts. Doing drugs is just a stretch to fill the empty parts. I've been addicted to you from the start. Another fiend dealing with broken hearts. Doing drugs is just a stretch to fill the empty parts. Baby girl, you're my favorite drug, that's by far. Favorite drug, that's by far. That's by far.